Our topic is gravitation, and dear students, our today's topic is SI unit and value of universal gravitational constant G. Now, today I will define what is the SI unit of this gravitational constant. As we know from according to according to Newton's law of gravitation, force F between two bodies of masses m1 and m2 separated by a distance or is given by, according to Newton's law of gravitation, force F between two bodies of masses, that is law of gravitation, that is force of attraction between two masses, this is mass m1 and m2, separated by a distance r, is given by, as we have already derived this relation, that is like that. That expression that we have derived, यहाँ पर हमने कहा था कि अगर हमारे पास ये एक बॉडी है, इसका मास m1 है, और यहाँ पर एक बॉडी है, इसका मास जो है, मान लीजिए इसका मास m2 है. These are the centers of these two bodies, and this is the r, this is this distance, yani these masses are separated from each other by a distance r. Then the force of attraction, according to the universal law of gravitation, this m1 attracts this m2, m1 is attracted by m2, m2 is attracted by m1. Then that force, that F that we have derived, and that F is equal to G universal, that is G m1 m2, and R is the distance between the two bodies. That is the force of attraction between m1 and m2. They are at a distance of r from one another. That force of attraction between the two bodies is G m1 m2 divided by r square. We have to calculate the SI unit of G. From this expression, or I will get this implies, or I can say G m1 m2 upon r square. This is equal to F. Or I will say G is equal to, ये r square इसके साथ multiply होगा, it will be F into r square एंड अपॉन जो m1 m2 है इसके साथ दिस विल बी m1 into m2. Now we know that SI unit of force is Newton. R is the distance between the two bodies and SI unit of distance is meter and mass SI unit of mass is kg. मैं यहाँ पे लिखूंगा अब यहाँ पर let me rub it here. यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगा फोर्स का जो है SI unit of force is Newton, that is M. R जो है कितने दूर हैं जो ये बॉडी, SI unit of distance, that is meter, that is M, and SI unit of mass is kilogram, that is kg. Now I will put these things here in this relation first. What I will get? I will get G is equal to, this is G, this is F, F means Newton, this is R square, R means distance, this is square meter, this is distance is measured in meters, this is M square, and this is mass. यहाँ पर m1 है into m2, ये भी kg है, ये भी kg है, that means kg into kg. और r का मैं लिखूंगा this is meter into meter, when bases are same powers are added, meter into meter, square meter. That means what I have obtained, G जो है, G का जो यूनिट है that is Newton square meter upon kg, this is kg square, kg into kg square. So SI unit of G, universal gravitational constant G, that is Newton meter square upon kg square. Now I will find the value of G. This is how, what is the SI unit of this universal gravitational constant, that is Newton square meter kg square. Okay.